How to change the banner box color in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can change the color of your banner box button in Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, the banner box button is button like this, right? So currently I don't have a banner over here, so let me just go ahead and add that. We can go ahead and change the color of it and see whether or not it works, because currently I don't have it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on customize this theme and add the banner box. All right, so here what we're going to do is we're going to add the banner box. So currently it's not added, so I'm going to add the section and it should be image banner right here. So these buttons right here, we're going to go ahead and add that section. So we're going to click over here and add it over here at the top. We can add like one banner instead of two banner buttons, I believe one button is more than enough. Maybe if I delete that, it should just have one. There we go. That is much better. So we'll just save that. So here, what we're going to do is we want to change the color of this, button. So let's go ahead and do that. So we can edit this as well. So I'll just go ahead and move this right here at the top. Right here. I would have preferred to have a video playing in the background, but that's fine. It's totally good. So this color right here, we want to change that. So we'll save that as of right now. And you can use this method on any of the themes as well. Just want to point that out. It works on all the themes, since all the themes will have some sort of banner buttons. So, you can use the exact same method. So let's go back to the Shopify dashboard, the theme section right here, and reload this website just so that once we do that, we can see the banner button color. So you are going to need a code, which will do that. So coming back over here into the theme section, you're going to go ahead and click on the three dots and go into edit code, right? And the code is right here. It's a pretty simple code. You can see right here, it says right here, this is the background and here is the color, the hex code. You can change it and add any other hex code you want and it'll work. So we're going to go ahead and copy this entire code, copy it, and come back over here into the code editor, right? So here what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to type in base. All right, you want to go into base.css. This is where we're going to go ahead and add that code to. What you want to do is scroll to the very bottom. It's a lot of code, so it's going to take a while. So scroll down to the very bottom, and here you want to add a space. If you don't have a line, if it's just this, like for example like this, then just simply press enter, create a line, and then just paste the code, right? And then just hit the save button and it should work. So now, since this is the hex code for the banner button, we're gonna go ahead and search for it over here. This is the color picker, so we can go ahead and select any other color we want. So let's go ahead and select this reddish color, right? Copy the hex code, come back over here and just paste the hex code in its place and click on save. And I did reload it and the color is changed, but I forgot to mention this is the button hover effect, right? So if someone hovers over it, if you have that effect, then it'll, change the color. This is the color over here. Set the button background right here. So this is the background that we want to change it to. So here we'll paste the color, the red color, come back over here, reload the page, and it should. Why is it still yellow? And it's still yellow. I don't understand. Of course, it's yellow because there's two of the hashtags. This sometimes happen, mistakes. Get rid of that hashtag now, finally, for the third time. Let it save. There we go. Now, if we reload it, there we go. And you can see the hover effect as well. So the hover color changes. So this is how we can change the color. Finally, for the third time's the charm. That's what they say, third time's the charm. So now that we know it works, let's go ahead and try to change the color into a much better color, because this color is just weird. So I would like something like this color, right? This color looks good. We'll copy the hex code, come back over here, paste it, and save it, and reload it. And okay, this one looks good. And for the hover color, I want it to be a little bit more lighter color, so like that. So we'll copy that and we'll come over here. This is the hover effect. So here we'll just paste the other color. This should work. Give it a couple of seconds to, save. Now once it's saved, come back over here, reload it. There we go. So now it's a different color. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, this is how we can do it. So now what I'll do is I'll save it and we can use this exact same code on other themes as well. So let me just actually go ahead and copy. So let me just go ahead and open up the other theme store, like for example, let's go ahead and try it on here, refresh theme. I'll add the refresh theme over here into the list, give it a couple of seconds, and then we'll go ahead and change the code of it as well. And here we go. So it's now installed. Let's go ahead and also not publish it, sorry. We'll click on preview and then we'll click on edit code. We'll open the preview over here so that we can see what it looks like. It's loading up. So this is the preview, right? And we're going to come over here again, go ahead and go into base.css and paste the code and scroll down to the very bottom and paste the code and click on save. And now if we reload it, it should work. There we go. So you can see right here, it works on all websites and all themes. So you don't have to worry about it. It totally works. You know, changing the color is actually very simple. This is it right here called the background color. You can find it right here. You can find the link to the code in the description below as well. So it's pretty simple. And then this is the solid color and this is the color as well. This is the button text color as well. So if you wanted to change the button text color, so for example, if it's just black, which is like this, you can change it as well. So you can see when we hover, it's actually white, but we don't want that. We want it to be black. So we'll go ahead and copy it and paste it right here. And now we should reload it. There we go. It didn't save. Let me just do that again. So here we go. So now you can see the color of the button. The text within it is just black. It's not white. So it's pretty cool. We should do that with this one as well. But yeah, pretty cool, right? Pretty simple. And we'll go ahead and do that and turn the text black for this one as well. Scroll to the very bottom. This is the color right here. And boom. There we go. Save it. It's been saved. Reload it. So I believe I might have accidentally published the other's theme store. But yeah, you can see right here, the color of the text is now black, not white. So it's easier to see as well. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, it's as simple as that. Just check the link in the description below. You'll find the link to that code and you can go ahead and add it and change the color of the banner button in your Shopify store. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.